Majimbo Kalasinga, who won by a big margin against his closest rival Evans Kakai of UDA. Now Kalasinga, together with party leader Moses Wetangula, thanked voters for electing the new Member of Parliament.
We have results of 123 polling stations out of 123 polling stations. Our total number of registered voters was 57,654. So the total number of votes cast translates to 29,798, which translates to a voter turnout of 51.68%. We had 320 rejected votes. So from the results that we were able to tabulate in Form 35B, I want to declare Simiyu, Majimbo, Kalasinga, Joseph Wekesa as the member of National Assembly elect for Kabuchai Constituency. I would request him.
Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see tonight, just this Friday, the people of Kabuchai have spoken. The people of Kabuchai have worked hard. The campaigns were done well. I want to take this very singular opportunity to thank the party leader of Fort Kenya, Honorable Moses Wetangula.
It's a great day for the people of Kabuchai as they replace their Member of Parliament following.
Now let's analyze those by-elections actually that were conducted yesterday in